Are your Eclipse glasses safe for looking at the sun? Let's check to see if your Eclipse glasses can handle the heat or if they need to stay inside. First off, never check your Eclipse glasses with the sun. That's a good way to injure your eyes. Take your Eclipse glasses and find a bright light, like a lamp or a flashlight. Hold your Eclipse glasses up to the light and look through them. The light will appear extremely dim or not appear at all when looking through the glasses. For example, you should only be able to see the filament of a light bulb, but not the glow surrounding the bulb. Also, if your Eclipse glasses have any marks or scratches on them, don't use them. If you have older Eclipse glasses from a previous eclipse, give them a check to make sure they haven't been damaged or scratched. All safe Eclipse glasses will meet the ISO 12312-2 standard. It's best to store Eclipse glasses in a safe place where they won't become scratched or punctured. Remember, never look at the sun without Eclipse glasses or a solar filter. Be safe and happy sun viewing, everyone.